Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to create pie chart in Excel from table. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I have a data, order ID and total price. So to create pie chart here, I'm going to convert this data in table. So select the data, I just drag with the mouse and select here entire data. Then press the Ctrl T to convert this data in table. Here you can see one small dialog box is open to create table. Then click on the OK. That's it. Here you can see your data is converted in table with the table design tab. Okay. So now I'm going to create the pie chart. Simply select the data, just drag with the mouse and select it. Now go to the insert tab. In charts group, click on the pie chart option. Here the 2D pie, 3D pie is available. I select the 2D one. Just click on it. That's it. Here you can see the pie chart is inserted with the chart design tab and format tab. In chart design, you can design your pie chart. The chart style also available. Just click on this drop down arrow and select the style those you want. See here the changes on the pie chart, and that's it. So this is a way you can create pie chart in Excel from table. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.